Hello, welcome back to Blender Station LiveNoding. In this episode, we're gonna learn to create a procedural Christmas tree. This is actually very simple. If you can guess how we can create this, you can stop right here. But I'm gonna show you from scratch anyway. So let's get started. Compositing, Sverchok new, create I'll start with a cylinder actually, and right click and then connect to viewer draw. And how to turn this into Christmas tree. Okay, you can of course control the radius top and radius bottom, and this is just a cone, but let's save it first. SV Christmas tree, let's see, I'll just gonna save it here. Okay, the easiest way is probably just to turn it into spiraling kind of geometry, right? So the idea is to use simple deformations, and we're gonna twist this cylinder many times until it resembles like a Christmas tree, like a cone, like ice cream cone actually. So it's rather simple. You just plug this in like that. With the twist, we need to have more subdivision. So now it's starting to take shape. Increase the angle. And there you go. So that's one type of Christmas tree. Of course, there are many ways to do this. But you can also control the lower and the higher. So you kind of have like a twist in the middle and then no twist at the bottom. So that's kind of handy. And if you like, you can have more subdivisions. So now it's starting to resemble some kind of Christmas tree. But now, how to turn this into some kind of like a forest of Christmas tree? That will be next. The quickest way is probably to use some kind of grid and maybe like a polygon. But there are many ways to do this really. If you use like a grid, like a plain grid, let's try this, and polygon adaptive, the Christmas tree can goes into the donor, and the grid can goes into this recipient. As a result, we're gonna have like a multiple Christmas tree. Okay, so that's pretty simple actually. And then if you want to do more, like with the z coefficients, you can also use a random number. We're gonna randomize the height of the Christmas tree. So let's use float and then control the height. So some are smaller, some taller, but all of them are pretty cool looking Christmas tree. If I'm not wrong, we can actually randomize this angle of the twist as well for each one of them if you like. And if you want to randomize the width of the Christmas tree, that's probably can be controlled at the back here. Or actually, that's kind of interesting. Looks like a star up there, but oh yeah, the radius bottom doesn't work anymore, so you probably need to do it at the back here. So there's a donor width. The donor width currently is just a single value, but it's actually based on this plane radius anyway. So it's really up to you how you want to create something like this. You can, of course, use, instead of using plane, you can use something like a brick. the bricks grid. So let's see how it looks if we just replace it. So now we have like a more random kind of Christmas tree. I quite like this actually. We have, how many polygon face we have here? Polygon face. Let's use list length, get the total number of the polygon. Right click, get the stethoscope, and check it out. We have 45. Okay, 45. There we go. Our random Christmas tree. Let's make this, some of them a bit taller. So now they're starting to look something that you might found in the North Pole. Some of them actually kind of weirdly shaped. That's because of the brick, I guess. But yeah, I think some kind of strange looking Christmas tree will work as well. So there you go. That's a quick way to generate some kind of a forest of Christmas tree. Hopefully you like this one. You can use it for next year maybe, and add some decorations, spiraling decorations, and some lights. So there you go. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.